mattress up there. What are these, dude? Bunk beds. These are so cool.
Oh, and also,
yeah.
we got Cason's been done. His is the bottom.
His is the bottom?
Yeah.
Which one?
Mine is the bottom.
So Kason sleeps down here?
Yeah, I sleep on top.
Have you seen inside Kason's room?
Yeah.
What's in his? What's in there?
Another bunk bed.
Yeah, but so he's got his own top bunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And whenever he wants to sleep, he can go in the bottom.
Yeah. Look at how cool.
And there's also no sheet on top of here.
I know. Well, the mattress is...
Oh, his top is blue. I like that
Yeah.
color.
The mattresses from the race car beds fit up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we should put them up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bunk beds. Bunk beds, bunk beds. So exciting. Yeah. Did you first see it this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
I was checking to see if it was here, and I saw it.
Oh, good. Well, now
And also, we put my pillows in there.
you already put your pillows in there?
Yeah.
You are bunk bed certified, dude.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, Dada.
Yeah.
How about we leave the white and green sheet on, and tomorrow we take it off?
Okay, we'll leave it on for today.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put this mattress in there.
Yeah.
Love you, dude.
I love you.
Wow, dude.
But I can also touch the roof.
Touch the ceiling. You have some drawers too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let
Did
me
you already
show
hide
you the
something in?
drawers.
I'll show you. Show me those drawers. Did you already hide something in there?
Yeah.
Wow.
I hided a chest.
A chest.
It is a toy.
Whoa.
And I hided Ryan actually.
Wow.
I hided him in this one.
Wow. That's so cool, dude.
And also, I have my favorite monster truck.
Wow.
He called this guy.
Well, congrats on your new bunk beds, man. You gonna have friends stay over and stuff?
Hey, wait! Watch this, Dada.
Oh, you put books right there?
Yeah, you can put books right there.
So we'll put a chair right here, Cash. Look, and this will be where you write. This is your desk.
Yeah.
And I think there's some
also
more.
We'll put a couple of books right there.
Okay.
A couple of reading books.
Okay, reading books. Awesome, dude.
That. And look at this.
Awesome, man.
Hey, look, more drawers.
More drawers. Congrats on your bunk beds,
I'm gonna
dude.
put some books inside the drawers.
Okay.
Books.
All right. Yes. Successful bunk beds. I loved them when I was a kid. Let's get this day started. And then Truck Wife will get the painting overtime. She's busy and has to get her back right, but yeah. All right. You pretty stoked, dude? You like it?
Okay. Do you want to see inside the drawer?
Yeah. Books inside?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And
Awesome.
also, we need a chair.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll buy a chair, okay?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Like a chair.
Well, you're bunk bed certified, man.
Yep.
High five.
Oh, that was loud. But look at the camera.
Dude, do you like your new bed? It's pretty
I guess
cool,
so.
huh?
Do you want to see mine? Mine is the same height. Hey, listen. You want to see this? Watch this. Hey, stay right there. Watch this. Wow! And you can put stuff in there.
Whoa, isn't that cool, Kason? Got bunk.
It does the same thing
This
as
time
mine.
it doesn't have ladders. It has stairs.
It has stairs. Isn't that cool?
Bunk beds are supposed to have ladders.
Some bunk beds have ladders, but these bunk beds have stairs with drawers
Hey,
in
what's
them.
under here? Ooh,
Whoa.
nice.
Isn't that cool, Kason? Do you like your new bunk bed?
Kason,
Are you excited?
you want to see mine, Kason?
Now you can have friends come
Hey,
over.
what's inside here?
Nothing, that doesn't open, but there's drawers on this side too, Kason.
Okay, Kason. Hey, Kason can't sit over here.
Yeah, it's a... See?
Put books in there. Hey,
Oh,
Kason.
yeah. Climb up it. Hey, dude. Ah.
Oh.
All right. Mama's gonna paint. Mama's gonna paint, so that's where we're already figuring out how to play on it.
Hey,
Okay.
Kason, do you want to see mine? Yeah. This one's mine.
Whoa.
On the top.
here.
Gigi is here.
Open this.
And if you open
Those bunk beds are sweet. Now it is time to get these big pieces of rubber in old red and those boxes. Headed to the tire shop. Open at 8 a.m. They said first come, first serve. So let's get there. 7:25. Whew, a little heavy. Little bit heavy, but they're all out of here. Where should they be? You see me rolling down 85 today, guys. Yes, indeed. I have to tie down that back one because that one might bounce out. And we'll talk about this later. Why did I have to put in another toilet? Oh, man. Frustrating, but we got it done. So, beautiful morning. Feels like 60 degrees, 65. And it is time to upgrade those tires and wheels. Here we go. Old red's in effect. Boom. There you go. If you guys need any wheels and tires, Piedmont Tire out here in Piedmont. Definitely a beautiful day. Can't wait to see these things on the truck. Great people though. Have a Bible study devotion every Tuesday morning at 7:30. Pretty cool. I can't wait to see these things done. There's another Chevy single cab. Nice one. But yeah, Piedmont Tire, guys. They got them on done for me. Woo! A little bit bigger than what's on the Chevy, right? Thanks, guys. Yeah, those are pretty. All right, let's get these home and get them on the Ram. Go ahead. Good job. All the way down. All the way down. There you go. That's enough. That's enough. How do you feel about that?
Good.
You like it? Thank you, buddy. So yeah, the super clean. No, we just need to spray the brake caliper, but this stuff works great, huh?
So dirty.
It's still dirty. That's why we take the rag, which is a little dirty, might leave a streak. But look at that.
Wow, it's
Isn't
clean.
that great? Yeah.
Eh.
Yeah. Gotta find a clean part of the rag, but turn the rag inside
Let's do
out.
the other one.
You want to do the other ones?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I want to do that one.
That works good, though.
Can
Thanks
I
a lot, super
Can I do
clean.
the other one?
We will, Bubba. Wheels for the bunk beds? No, I carried them up the stairs last night.
How?
I just used raw strength, and maybe Tiki helped me. I think Tiki helped me.
I think he's it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, we got a load.
I was like, wow.
JB Hunt, I was just putting different offers on different stuff. There's not a lot of stuff out there right now. So,
It is.
Coyote had a couple. Every time I've been declining a load on Coyote, they make the load disappear. So, I think they're just fed up with offers or something. I don't know. But we're playing with bunk beds. We're under the bunk beds. We need to get like some world maps and stuff up here. Maybe the times tables and stuff, so you can look at them.
That's a good idea.
It's a good idea. How'd you have fun at school today?
Good.
Cool. But yeah, we got a Sumter, South Carolina. It's about 120 miles south of me, going over to Atlanta. So we got $1,200 on that. So that'll at least bring some money for us, as long as it doesn't get canceled. Praying it doesn't. So, and it's an open window. I can pick up till midnight, so I can play with them, get some park time. But those tires and wheels, they made the whole truck look different. I know it's not everyone's style, but I like it a lot. So God bless everybody. I'm gonna hang out with the kids, and then we'll get loaded up tonight. So we got a couple projects going today. Bunk beds, and then replaced my toilets, 2 of them. Actually replaced 3 of them over the year. This was the second one. if you can see that. Look at that craftsmanship. Ooh. So, checked it for leaks, checked around the base, wax ring, checked around the attachment, and no leaks. Come in there next morning, ground's full of water. And you can tell it was like dripping spackling. I couldn't feel where it was coming from. And then I reached up in here and felt a little drip, and there you go. You can still see drip. So luckily Home Depot will take them back, but that just kind of sucks. Takes it back out of box. So we're gonna get a Kohler this time, not go for the $20 discount. So I wouldn't recommend, everyone has bad days. I wouldn't recommend Glacier Bay if you don't want to come back to Home Depot. But hey, that's our project today. And then get those bunk beds installed, and then off to trucking again Monday. Peter from Australia, man. Thanks so much, dude. Melbourne sent us another, I don't know if you sent us them before, but it's kind of like their truck paper. That is super cool. Go through it. Different currency, of course, but that is pretty damn cool. All the stuff they got in there. And this, I guess, they're kind of diesel fabric or publication. It's super cool. And then somebody sent us this. Thank you. Aaron, I believe it was, that said on the box. Awesome. Thanks so much, guys. I'm gonna go get Panera for the wife, and I think I'm gonna get a Publix sub. Really, I'm just looking for an excuse to drive this truck, check out these new wheels and how they roll. So let's go check it out. Fire it up. Blowing leaves around here. Tank, what are you doing? Oh, your brothers are in the leaves? So we raked a couple leaves, but it's because we wanted a leaf pile. Hey, you guys want to go to the park for a little bit, or you just want to stay here? Please don't throw me your brother in the face. Hey, I'm going to the park. See you guys later. All right. Whoa, okay. What's up, Tank? At the park. Today's loads, not too many of them out there. I just threw a couple offers out there on Coyote. They just canceled them. That JB Hunt load, I threw a $1,300 offer on it, and then they called me about 10 minutes later. And nice lady, she's like, yeah, I saw you put a load offer on one of my loads, and we'd like to be around 1,000. And I said, well, hey, what's up, trucking wife? How's your nails? Show us your nails. Got them done, huh? Are they pretty?
Yeah, I got my toenails.
What color was that considered?
I don't know. It's called
Rosemary?
hot chocolate, but it's,
Watch out, you can get kicked in the head, buddy.
it's pronounced hot as an H. It's a pee-pee.
All right, so take a pee-pee. Yeah, but not too many loads out here. In the beginning, JB Hunt didn't have any loads at all. And then they popped up a couple later, so. Got those wheels and tires on though. Whole different truck, looks amazing. It's over the top, but I love it. And that toilet, man, oh my goodness. Leaking all over my floor. So I'm gonna get him out of the swing. We're enjoying the park. And I'm gonna go pick this thing up about 8 p.m. While Truckin' Wife takes that one to the bathroom, let's hear about our giveaway, guys. November 21st, live feed.
For the giveaway this month, we're going to be doing it just a little bit differently than we normally do. We're going to be giving away a Connex or a Stryker CB radio. Justin will insert the pictures here. So you get to pick between one or the other and let us know which one you'd like. But here's the difference of how we're going to do the giveaway this month. We're going to ask that you be in the chat room during the live. You have to be in there to win the prize. The link will be in the description. You click sign up, and then on November 21st, when we choose the winners, we're going to choose a list, and we'll start at number 1. And the winner that is number 1 will say your name, send you an email, and you have a couple seconds to get back to us. If you don't get back to us and you're not in the chat, we go to the next one, and so on and so forth until we get a winner, which we're really excited about. I know it's a little bit different, but we like to switch it up. Thank you guys so much for all your support. If you haven't clicked that like or subscribe button, please do that. We appreciate you so much, and God bless. Good luck.
First live feed. Thank you everyone who subscribes. We truly appreciate it, and let's just keep moving forward. Stay blessed. Enjoy the days. It's like 71 degrees out here. It's gorgeous. And Kazgear.com, Kazgear. There'll be a link in the description. There'll be also a link in the description to enter the giveaway. And we got another giveaway launching right there on the 21st. So hope everyone's having a great day out there. A little short video. We got those bunk beds put together. 1 in the morning last night. I was carrying them up, and then got those wheels mounted today. It's not a necessity, but it does look pretty dang cool. It's a California kid in me, so hopefully no more wreckers are going to need to be called. If you want to hear about the wrecker, check out the live feed from yesterday, which is episode 27. Pretty crazy stuff, but God was looking over us and got out alive. So know your worth, stick to your guns. We'll see you in Atlanta tomorrow. Get some footage of the pickup tonight. Never been to this place, so it'll be a new adventure. In the meantime, bunk beds, new wheels, giveaway 21st, and 3-year-old's turning 4 coming up next weekend. All right, guys. God bless.